Number 13 is a question involving compound interest. So definitely take a look at the box above this with all of the definitions. It says if $2,000 is invested in an account paying 4% compounded monthly, find the value of the investment after 8 years. So I like to define all of my variables first. A, that is the future value. That's actually what they're asking for in this one, so I don't know what that is. P is the present value, or the principal. I know this is $2,000. R is the rate of interest as a decimal. So it's 4%, but for the formula to work, I want to put 0.04. N, this is how many times it's compounded in 1 year. Because they say monthly, that means it's going to be 12. And then T is going to be the time in years, and they're saying for this scenario that it's 8 years. So this will be 8. So for the formulas, I'm going to use the A formula. So A is going to be equal to 2,000 times 1 plus 0.04 over 12, and that's all in parentheses, and then I'm raising that to the 12 times 8, and you should get 2,752 and 79 cents. So this will be the value in the account after 8 years. So you're starting out with $2,000 and you're going to be ending up with $2,752.